In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Trello as a CRM with Crmble. We'll set up a clean, practical CRM pipeline in Trello using a ready-made template so your board is organized and ready to pair with tools like Crmble. Start by opening Trello and heading to your boards page. This is your home base where you can see existing boards and create new ones. At the top, click Create. Trello lets you start from scratch, but to move faster and get a solid structure, choose Start with a template. Then select Explore Templates to open the full gallery. You'll see templates for different teams and workflows. We want one tailored to sales tracking, so use the search and type CRM pipeline template. When it appears, open it and click Use Template. This gives you a professional pipeline layout without building lists and sample cards by hand. Next, give your new board a clear descriptive title. For example, use your company name plus CRM or the team's name plus pipeline. Good naming helps teammates find it quickly and keeps multiple boards easy to manage. Then choose the workspace where the board should live. Pick the workspace your sales or client-facing team uses so the right people can access it and collaborate. When that's set, click Create to spin up your CRM board. With the board created, take a moment to make your edits so the pipeline matches your process. Rename the list to reflect your exact stages, like new lead, contacted, qualified, proposal sent, negotiation, and closed won or closed lost. Keep the number of stages lean at first. You can always add more as your process matures. Open a few sample cards and either customize or remove them. For each card, add a clear description, key contact details, and a simple checklist for your sales steps. Use due dates for next actions so nothing slips, and attach important files like proposals or briefs. Labels are a quick win. Set them up for lead source, priority, territory, or product line. Consistent labels make filtering and reporting much easier. You can also reorder lists by dragging them so the flow reads left to right in the order your team actually works. A helpful tip is to keep an inbox or triage list at the far left for brand new leads and a one list at the far right for quick visibility on results. Once your lists, labels, and sample cards reflect your reality, you've got a clean Trello CRM foundation that's organized, scalable, and ready to work seamlessly alongside Crmble when you're ready to extend your setup.